Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn letter G, H and their sound. Let's begin. This is G. G says G. Say G. G. Grapes. Grapes. Goat. Goat. G. Glasses. Glasses. G. Gloves. Gloves. This is H. H says H. Say horse. Horse. At, hat, and hand, heart, heart. Do you have this worksheet with you? You are going to cut this worksheet around the dotted line. And when you are done cutting all the pieces, you are going to put them next to. When you are done cutting all those pieces, put those next to you. When we say grapes, what first sound we make? G. Grapes. Grapes goes under G. You are going to put the picture of grapes under G. When we say horse, what first sound we make? Horse. Horse goes under. Put your picture of horse under H. Goat. Goat. G. At. Hat. H. And. Hand. G. Glasses. Glasses. G. Heart. Heart. Gloves. Gloves. G. If you are done putting all your pictures under G and H, we can move on to next one now. Let's play I Spy game. I spy with my little eye something start with G. Let's find something start with G. Gloves. Gloves. G. Let's circle it. Now we're done with this G. We're going to circle that too. Now I spy with my little eye something start with H. Let's find something start with H. Hammer. H. Hammer. Circle that. We are done with this H. We are going to circle that too. Now you are going to find rest of the pictures start with G and H and circle them. When you are done, you can move on to next one. What picture is this? Grapes. G. Grapes. G. This first one is G. Let's circle that. Now you are going to find rest of the pictures first sound and circle them. When you are done, you can move on to next one. Here we are going to learn how to write G, H. G and H. We're going to start with this dot here and follow that arrow. Watch. Can you trace on your worksheet on G? On G? Okay, we're going to trace one more time. Let's trace on H, starting with the dot here. Tracing, are you done tracing on H? H? Let's move on to next one here. Trace one more time. Great, you did a good job. We are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.